Welcome to BreitWerks M96 engine out of the 2000 Boxster. Unbelievable how much crap accumulates on top of the engine. So if you try to do this in the car and you pull the valve cover off, there's a bunch of junk that has a high probability of getting in very expensive machined parts. So it's like our O-ring for our little AOS on the 4 through 6 side is weeping, so we'll change that out. But yeah, we'll get that cleaned up so that it kind of looks like this before we took that cylinder head off. And got the tensioner pads replaced on this side and set to timing. So we're gonna head back over now and work on this side and get everything cleaned up. But yeah, wow, Medusa. I think we're gonna change the name of this car from Jeb to Medusa. That is a lot of crap going on. But hey, we'll get there, get it sorted out. The timing these things is interesting. For a 2000 engine, 5-chain, you would think there'd be a lot more stuff out there available. The factory manual is good, but it's not great. But there is a lot of misinformation. All the good information seems to have been wiped off the internet. So I have a theory, but that's just me. Anyway, thanks for following us along in this little journey. We'll get this all cleaned up, get that cam cover off, get it all cleaned up too, and change those pads and get this thing set up, ready to go back in much better shape than it came out. Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button if you like these types of videos, and don't forget to check us out at BreitWerks.com.